So if you want to explore different shapes and different silhouettes for your model, such as we have here, you can use the snapshot functionality. The snapshot allows you to take a model and just pressing Shift S on your keyboard will drop it onto the canvas, drop an instance of it while keeping your model still live. Obviously there are some things to this. If you want to change the background, you want this high contrast. So even though I've made previous snapshots of these models here, I can still go to my document menu, go to the background and change it to a high contrast color that's going to make it easy for me to see the silhouette and to later on pick it out in Photoshop. In addition to this, if sometimes whatever model you have selected will obviously be brighter than the other, so in this instance we have a lighter object here, so if you want this to all be the same color like we have down here, just add another little sphere or something like that. Select that sphere, scale it down, and that can be inside your model. That way you won't notice how it looks, and then you can add on these various other parts to your various other variations of your model. Change the color, whatever, and take a snapshot when you're happy that this is the silhouette that you'd like. One last thing is go to your document menu, and you'll see that this is the scale of the document that will be exported when you hit document export. So this is the size that you'll actually get. If you want this one off screen, simply drag it off screen. You'll see from the document, if we zoom out, that's the size of the actual document. So when I hit export, it will export at this size. You need to have this document set to this size before you create your snapshots. Hope these tips help, and please do subscribe if you find them useful. Bye.